Here at Paylett Computex 2025, we are here to check out all things custom. You're going to want to see this. Let's go have a look. Doom seems to be all the rage this year at Computex 2025. And here at the Paylett booth, we've actually found another Doom, the Dark Ages build. This one has some amazing customization on the Paylett GPU. This is actually an RTX 5080. You can see we've actually got some 3D printing, a bit of laser cutting as well, acrylic work, and we've got half a broken shield on the top. We've also got the spike ball. This looks absolutely incredible, and they've also got Doom on the fans as well displaying. We've actually done amazing custom work around the outside panels to showcase the Doom theme as well. I think this is such a nice build. I don't know who built it, but what I do know is this is one beefy GeForce RTX 5080 Gaming Pro graphics card from Paylett. Inside the system, I can see, so we've got the X570 Prime Series motherboard from Asus. We've also got some Kingston Fury RAM, and inside we also have a Lian Li Hydro Shift CPU cooler with the Lian Li LCD fans. Now here at Paylett, there's actually 3D printed shrouds, so you can actually paint your own design on the graphics card, and you can see there's a few designs here. We've got the pink, blue and orange color, and we've also got these ones here where they've painted it purple and then they've done the lines in yellow. It looks a little messy, but if you do a bit of taping, I think you can get such a perfect line. You can actually customize it to create your own design, which would fit themed builds just like this. Which one's your favorite, guys? Let us know down in the comments. So the 3D print files are actually online, and that is what inspired these custom PCs. So they actually took the file, they customized it to their liking for these builds and for these builds. Users can do that whenever they like. They've got the backplate and they've also got the front shroud design as well. Here at Paylett, we have this Monster Hunter Wilds themed PC build. You actually look up the top here, the graphics card is built right into it. There's a lot of 3D printing, a lot of custom work done with this. The power supply is actually at the rear and the cables come up through the foot and into the actual build. Yes, this is a full PC, guys. This is no joke. Absolutely amazing craftsmanship by whoever built this. Full size Paylett's GPU built right into it. This looks incredible. Now this is the Paylett Gamrock Diamond Edition graphics card. I've always said to my wife, do you need a bigger diamond? And so I'm thinking I'll just build her a diamond PC case. We'll get the G.Skill Royal RAM, we'll get the Paylett Diamond Edition GPU in there, and we'll get some diamond encrusted fans, and I think that that'll be enough diamonds for her. What do you girls think in the comments? Is that enough diamonds or do you need more? But we have RGB included, which lights up the diamonds really nicely as well. This is a white GPU, perfect for those white builds as well. And yeah, I'm actually looking forward to doing a build with this. Let me know what theme you guys think this GPU will actually fit well into. This is the GeForce RTX 5090 Tornado, and this thing is solid metal. The whole shroud is just pure metal. Helps with dissipation of heat as well. You can see it's open at the back there, so it's just fully fins, fully metal. I think it just looks really cool. I'd love to put this inside of the build because I'm sick of all those GPUs which are like this thick, and I've got no room for radiators down underneath as well. So this would be perfect for one of those builds, and it looks super clean and premium as well. Paylett have partnered with Lynx Plus Cooling to come up with this solution. It is an all-in-one cooled GPU. Fully premium, fully surrounded by metal. This thing is no joke. We have a 360mm radiator at the front with the Lynx Plus logo. There's RGB built into it as well. Of course, you can customize that to your liking, but fully metal, that is what is impressive about it. And this will bring the best cooling performance possible. You know, I've always wanted a 5090, but they screwed it in the wall. I'm always attracted to pretty shiny things, and I really want to put this in my bag. This is an RTX 5090. This is their premium edition right here. This actually lights up with RGB as well, so you can turn it on or off, but I actually like the subtle blue accents throughout it with it turned off. What do you guys think? Would you rather the RGB turned on this, or do you like the simplistic design of it with the subtle blue accent with the RGB turned off? Let me know in the comments. These ones here are actually the two where you can put the 3D printed shroud on the top there. This is the slim version, so this is a 3.5 slot and a 2.5 slot. Then if you move down, we've also got the SFF ready cards black and white, and of course you got the 3 slot here as well. That's the 5070. This is the dual 5060 Ti, so more for your smaller builds if you have no space in there. Then we come across to this wall, and this is more the wall of graphics cards with no RGB involved at all. They're trying to keep it sleek, still gamer aesthetic, but take away all that RGB puke if you're not into that. And yeah, just giving users another option there.